Solution of the equation. So determinant equal to 0. Okay, first option x equal to 1, x equal to 2. Second option x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Third option x equal to 1, p is equal to 1. The next one x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to minus p. Okay, here if you take x equal to 1 here. Okay, if x is equal to 1 here, we put x is equal to 1 here. Here also x equal to 1. Therefore x is 1 here. This one 1. P plus 1 here also p plus 1. 1 plus 2 becomes a 3 here. Therefore if x equal to 1 here, so C1 and C2 are identical. Therefore value of the determinant is 0. When x equal to 2 here, if x value is 2, then substitute here. X equal to 2, 2 plus 1 becomes a 3 here. In that case, first and second columns are identical. Here, first and third column here. First and third column here. If x equal to 1. If x is equal to 2 here, first and second column are identical. If two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0 here. Therefore, both are correct here. So obviously, first option is correct here. And even here last option x equal to 1 is the x equal to 2 as well as a minus p here. Just check here at x equal to minus p. If x equal to minus p here, in that case so 1 p plus 1 and 3 here, then 1 p plus 1 minus p plus 1 here. Okay, minus p plus 1. Then minus of p, then the p minus p becomes a 0 here. So this becomes a 0. Then minus p plus 2 here. Minus p plus 2. Okay. Then in this case just add it here. Therefore this equal to determinant of 1 and minus p. Okay. And p plus 1, and adding this here, p plus 1 plus 3 becomes p plus 4 here. Otherwise, we can subtract here. After this minus this here. Means R2 gives here R2 minus R1. Therefore, 1 and 1 cancels, remaining is a p. 1 and 1 cancels, remaining is a p here. This minus of this gives plus a p here. Then the next term here, this minus this, R3 gives R3 minus R1 here. So 3 minus 1 becomes 2. This minus of this here, 1 and 1 cancels, so minus of p here. This minus of this p cancels, remaining is 2 here. Then expand it here, 1 into p into 2 becomes 2p. Then minus into minus plus here, plus p square. Minus of 1 into 2p here, minus of 2p. Then minus of p into bracket, so minus of p square here, and minus of 2p. Then obviously here this is not equal to 0. Therefore first option is correct here. X equal to 1 and x equal to 2. The value of the determinant becomes 0. So here the given here determinant equal to k into ABC into bracket a plus b plus c whole cube. Then the value of k is what here? We can use a property of determinant here. Otherwise, we can use particular numbers here. So consider a is equal to 1 here, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3 here. This is substitution method here. So substitute here. In that case, we get b plus c, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 square is there. 5 square is 25 here. Then a square, a value is 1 here. So 1 square is 1. Again a square is 1 here. Then the b square, b value is a 2 here. 2 square is a 4. C plus A. C plus A. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square is a 16 here. Then the b square. 2 square. 2 square is a 4. Then the c square. C value is a 9 here. Sorry, 3. 3 square is 9. Again, 3 square is a 9 here. A plus B. A plus B means 1 plus 2 gives 3. 3 square is a 9 here. Even in RHS of k into 1 into 2 into 3 into bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole cube here. Okay. Here from the second row 4 common factor, from third row 9 is a common factor here. 4 into 9 into determinant of 25, 1 and 1 here. Then here 4 common factors, so 1, 4 and 1 here. Here 9 is a common 1, 1 and 1. Therefore this is equal to, so 3 2s are 6 here. So k into 6 and 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 cube here. It is a 6 cube. Therefore 9 plus 36, take 36 right hand side here. And here you can make the terms as zeros here. Okay. You can make the terms as 0. This minus this. So C1 gives here C1 minus C2. Therefore determinant of this column minus this column here. 25 minus 1 becomes a 24. 1 minus 1 is a 0. Again 1 minus 1 is a 0. Then this minus of this here. So C2 gives here C2 minus of C3. Here it is C3. Okay. C1 minus C3 gives C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3 means 1 minus 1 is a 0 here. 4 minus 1 is a 3. 1 minus 1 is a 0. Right here 1, 1 and 1 here. Therefore this equal to, so k into, it is a 6 raised to 4 divided by 9 4s are 36 here. It is a 6 square. 9 4s are 36. 36 is 6 square. Cross multiply we get this one. Now you expand this determinant here. So 24. Then 3 into 1 becomes a 3. And 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Here 0 is there. Yes, so the next term becomes a 0. Next term here 1 into 0 into this is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. So therefore the third term is also 0. And in RHS 6 raised to 4 upon 6 square becomes a 6 square here. K into 6 square here. Therefore 24 into 3, 72 here. 6 square is a 36 into k here. 36 ones are 36 2s are here. Therefore k value is a 2 here. So C correct option here. So what is the value of this determinant here? 4 options are there. You can use a property of a determinant here and find the value here. Otherwise you can substitute here. Put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 here. Substitute here in the determinant here. A value here 1, 1 and 1 upon 1 becomes 1 here. B value 2, 1 by 2 here. C value is a 3, 1 upon 3. Then here 1, 1 and 1 here. Then B into C, 2 3s are 6 here. C into A, 3 1s are 3. And A into B, 2 1s are 2 here. Okay. Here multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing C1 by 6 here. Okay, if you multiply by 6 here, then you divide 6 outside here. 1 by 6 into, so 6 ones are 6 here. 6 upon 2 becomes a 3. 6 upon 3 becomes a 2 here. 1, 1 and 1 keep as 0. 1, 1 and 1, 6, 3, 2 here. 6, 3, 2. Here these two columns are identical here. Hence the value of the determinant is 0. First option is correct. So if ABC are in AB, then the value of the determinant here. Okay, again you can use the property of a determinant here. Then you can find the value of the determinant. Otherwise, You can use a substitution method. Here they given a ABC are in A pair. So therefore let us consider A is equal to 12, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4 here. They are in A pair because 4 plus 2 6, 6 upon 2 becomes a 3. They are using a arithmetic mean formula. Okay, this is A, B and C here. Therefore 2 plus 4, 6 upon 2 becomes a 3. They are in A pair. Substitute here. Determinant of okay. So A value 2, B value 3 and C value 4 here. So write here x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 here. Then x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7 here. Then x plus 2, then x plus 3, then x plus 4 here. Okay. Then this minus this here. So C2 use here. C2 minus C1. Then this minus of this here. Okay. Therefore C3 gives C3 minus C2 here. Take a C3 minus C2. Therefore determinant of x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 here. C2 minus C1 means this minus this here. X get cancels here. 3 minus 2 gives 1. 5 minus 4 is 1 here. 7 minus 6 is 1 here. Then C3 minus C2 is this minus this here. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 here. Then 3 minus 5 minus of 2 here. So 4 minus 7 minus of 3. Okay. Then make a 2 terms as zeros here. Okay. Make a 2 terms as zeros. Therefore R2 use here R2 minus R1 and R3 gives R3 minus R1 here. Therefore x plus 2 here. Then 1 minus 1 keep as it is here. So therefore R2 minus R1 means this minus this here. X and x cancels. 4 minus 2 becomes 2 here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. It is a 0. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes a minus 1. It is a minus 0. So R2 minus R. Then R3 minus R1 means this minus this here. This minus is 6 minus 2 gives a 4. Then 1 minus 1 is a 0 here. And minus 3 plus 1 gives a minus of 2. Minus of 2. Therefore, this equal to x plus 2 here. This into 0, 0 to this is 0. 0 to minus 1 is 0. Then 1 minus 1 into 2 2s are 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus minus plus 4 here. Then minus of 1 here. 2 into 0 becomes 0. And 0 into 4 becomes 0. So this becomes 0. 4 and 4 cancels, again it is 0. 0 last term is also 0. Hence the answer is 0. Third option is correct. 0. Okay. So for what value of x for which the following determinant equation are first option x equal to 0, x equal to 4a, x equal to 0, x equal to a, x equal to 0, x equal to 2a, x equal to 0, x equal to 3a. At what value of x this determinant becomes 0. Okay. Here x equal to 0 is a common here. In all option they given here x equal to 0. You just check at x equal to 4a or x equal to a or x equal to t or x equal to 3a, this becomes 0. You just check this one here. 4a. If x equal to 4a, in that case, so put x equal to 4a, a plus 4a becomes 5a. Then a minus 4a is a minus of 3a. A minus 4a minus 3a. Then a minus 4a minus 3a. Then 5a is a minus of 3a. Then minus 3a. Then here minus of 3a, and it gives a 5a. Okay. Therefore, if you add it here, it gives a minus 3 minus 6 here. 5a minus 6a minus of a minus a minus a minus a, then minus of 3a, 5a and minus of 3a, then minus 3a minus 3a and 5a is there. Suppose if you take x equal to a here, if x equal to a, in that case here, put x here, a plus a becomes up to a, put x value here, a and a cancels, it is a 0, a and a becomes a 0, then it is a 0, then 2a, and here is a 0, then a 0, it is a 0, and here it is a 2a. So here one side of the diagonals are 0, 0. So value of the determinant here, this into this into this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 a cube here, this is not equal to 0. Similarly, if you take x equal to 2a, if x equal to 2a, substitute here, 2a plus a becomes a 3a, and a minus 2a, minus of a minus a. Then here minus of a, then 3a minus a minus a minus a and 3a. Again, this is not 0. Okay, it is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Suppose if you take 3a, if x equal to 3, then determinant of a plus 3 gives a 4a, then a minus 3a minus of 2a, a minus 3a minus 2a, then minus of 2a, 4a minus 2a minus 2a minus 2a and 4a. So adding the rows here, r1 gives here r1 plus r2 plus r3. So sum of these three terms becomes a 0. Sum of these three terms 0. Sum of these three terms is a 0. Hence minus of 2a, 4a minus 2a, minus 2a, minus 2a and 4a. Then obviously value of this determinant is 0 here. Therefore, fourth option is correct here. Find the value of this determinant here. You can use properties of determinants. Otherwise, you can use substitution method also. If a is equal to 1 here, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Take the 3 elements here, numbers. Substitute here. A value 1 here, b is a 2 here. 2 2s are 4, plus 1 becomes a 5. Then a plus b, 1 plus 2 becomes a 3 here. Then a plus b, 1 plus 2 is a 3. Then a value is a 1 here. Then a plus 2b, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 becomes a 5. Then a plus 2b gives a 5. A plus b, it is a 3 here. Then a value is a 1 here. Okay. Direct expand this determinant here. So 1 into. So 1 minus of 15 here. Minus of 3. 5 ones are 5. Minus of 3 3s are 9 here. Plus 5 into 5 5s are 25. And 3 ones are 3 here. So write here 3. Therefore, 1 minus 15 is a minus of 14 here. 5 minus 9 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 these are 12 here. Then plus 25 minus 3 is a 22 here. 22 into 5 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 are 11. Therefore 110. Therefore so minus 14 plus 12 is a minus 2. 110 minus 2 is 108 here. Okay. To take first option here. So 9 and a square. A value is 1 here. 1 square becomes 1 into 1 plus square. 1 plus 2. Okay. Therefore 2 plus 1 3. 9 threes are 27. It is not 108 here. So first option is wrong here. Take the second option. So 9 into b square. B value is a 2 here. 2 square is a 4 into a plus b. 1 plus 2. Therefore 9 into 3 4s are 12 here. 12 into 9 here, 108. So this is correct. 108 here, yes, 108. So second option is correct. Okay. Here also find the value of a k. Use a substitution method here. So a is equal to 1 here. That a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3 here. So use here determinant of minus a square. 1 square is 1 here, so it is a minus of 1. A into b, 1 into 2 becomes a 2 here. A into c, 1 into 3 becomes a 3. Then a b, 1 into 2 becomes a 2. Minus b square, 2 square is a 4 here. So minus of 4. B into c, 2 3s are 6 here. And ac, 1 into 3 becomes a 3. bc, 2 3s are 6 here. C square, 3 square is a 9 here. Minus of 9. Therefore, here C2 gives here C2 plus 2 into C1 here. Then this becomes 0. Then C3 gives here C3 plus 3 into C1. Then this becomes 0. Therefore, first column element right here minus 1, 2 and 3 here. Multiply the first column by 2 here. First column by 2 and adding to the second column. 2 ones are 2 here, minus 2 plus 2 becomes a 0. Then multiply 2 here, 2 2s are 4, minus 4 plus 4 becomes a 0. Then multiply 2 here, then 6 plus 6 becomes a 12. Multiply 3 and adding to this one here. Minus 3 plus 3 becomes a 0. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 6 becomes a 12 here. Multiply 3, 3 these are 9, minus 9 becomes a 0. Then expand the determinant here. So minus of 1 here into this is a 0 minus of 12 12s are 144 here. Next two terms are 0, hence minus 0 plus 0 here. Even in the right hand side also k into a square, 1 square is 1 here, b square 4 and 3 square is a 9 here. Therefore 9 4s are 36 here. 36k, hence it is a 36k. Therefore, minus into minus plus here. 144 divided by 36 is equal to k. Therefore, the value of k is 4. Therefore, C is correct option.